Hello everyone, welcome to yet another watch tutorial video. Today I have got Navy Force 9216 model watch. In this video I will guide you the easiest way to set digital time, as well as I will help you to sync analog and digital time together. Let's get started. Now the very first step to set time in Navy Force 9216 model watch is you have to see whether you are in timekeeping mode or not. Currently I am in timekeeping mode, where it shows hour, minute and seconds. If you are here, you have to press left side down button 3 times, once, twice and thrice. After pressing for 3 times, you can see here the seconds have started blinking. Now to adjust this or to make it 0, press right side top button. Whenever I press right side top button, it makes second 0. You can see here on display. Now after adjusting this second, now to adjust hour and minute, press right side down button. As you see here, the minutes have started blinking. Now to adjust minute, press right side top button to go ahead. 30, 31, 32. In this way you can adjust minute. Now to adjust hour, press again right side down button. As you see here, the hour is blinking. Use same right side top button to go ahead. If we continue press this, you can even change the hour format from 12 hour to 24 hour. As well as you can change AM and PM in this way. Currently I am in 24 hour. If I continue pressing right side top button, it changes into 12 hour format. Now you can see here the A is mentioned over here, it means it is AM. If I continue press, you can see P is mentioned, this means PM. After adjusting hour, to adjust date, again press right side down button. Now you can see here the date is blinking. Now to go ahead, press right side top button. So in this way you can go ahead. And now to change month, press again right side down button. Now the month is blinking, press right side top button to go ahead. So in this way you can adjust days and month. Now to adjust days of a week, again press right side down button. You can see here Thursday is blinking, press right side top button to go ahead. So in this way you can even change days of a week. After adjusting these all, simply press left side down button to adjust it. So once you adjust this digital time, pull out the crown outside like I have did. After pulling out, adjust the time according to it. You can see here the analog here in small watch, it is adjusting. After adjusting the time, press this crown inside to adjust the time. So this is how you can set time on Navy Force 9216 model watch. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.